Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. I will be demonstrating these diagonal split greeting cards during the June 8th, 2024 one-of-a-kind craft along in their Facebook group. So I'll have 4 different designs to share with you, and on my blog you'll be able to purchase in sets of 2 or all 4 of them at once. So in a kit, such as the French press, there'll be the die cuts, some ribbons, there's always a strip of embellishments, the mat, the die cut teacups, paper to stamp a sentiment on, and then the pattern paper and the inside piece. All of the kits will have the supplies you need to complete the cards as shown, except for the stamping. In accordance with Stampin' Up! Policy, we cannot include stamped images in our kits, so you need to provide your stamp sets and ink pads, adhesives to complete the kits as I show in my samples. So here's another kit. This one's got a die cut square from the Stylish Shapes collection, and then you'll get a set of 3 mugs that you can fussy cut out. And then what I'm calling the top of the cup designs have these ingredients in their kits, top of cup. And this one, I'll just show you real quick. Everything comes in these cello envelopes. You pull everything out. You'll need to fussy cut your top of the cups. And there is your embellishments. Those are new in the new annual catalog. Die cut spoon, die cut decal circle. And the top of the cup kit features a selection of the top of the cup pre-printed images that you'll need to fussy cut. So to complete the kits, I added the Early Espresso ink pad, Calypso Coral, Pool Party ink, also the Latte Love stamp set. You can purchase that as a bundle to get the bundle price and get the die cuts as well. All those details for these additional products I've used to complete my kits are on the blog post. You need to add your adhesives as well. Bone folder, take your pick tool, and paper trimmer to do some cutting. We have 2 cuts on our cards, and then a paper snips to do your fussing cutting. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits the Mail or the one-of-a-kind icon for the details and ordering. If you're not interested in kits, I do also sell the coordinating PDF tutorial that is included with your kit purchase if you purchase the actual physical kits, but if you just like to purchase the PDF, that is an option too. Hope to stamp with you on June 8th. Have a great day. Stamp with you soon. Bye.